So obviously not the main entrance of the park. And as soon as we come around the corner, I can see fake snow just trickling down from above, and lots of Mexican theme in there. Now that looks very unique. So that must go up to the top, spins around, and then it leans. Looks very cool. Oh, it's lovely in here. Look at this. All right, the Winter Express. We're going straight on.
Ooh, onboard audio. That's cool. Oh wow, they've got fucking nice as well.
Merry Christmas.
It's a really good ride. Winter Express is a strange choice to theme that ride though, because it's themed around like tombs, almost like you're escaping from a tomb, and folklore and stuff like that. It's a bit of a strange choice to turn it into a winter theme, like a Santa theme, but that's a solid ride. That was a really good ride with a really good indoor dark section. So much bigger on photos. It's not actually that tall whatsoever. That's ace. Look at that, look. Oh, that feels weird. Oh, I don't like it. I don't like it. You know what it feels like? It feels like spin jam when your harnesses don't feel like they're going to hold your body weight in.
Oh, Sean, why would you say that?
It's all right. As long as we lean over the water, we can have a splash landing. Oh no! Like that, yeah. If we fall down there, we're fine. Brand new Rapids ride that's coming in March 2024. It's a few months away. It's quite cool, that. Features almost like a slide layout, like what you get at the travelling Rapids rides that you would have seen at Lightwater Valley, and most recently at Fantasy Island about a season ago. Yeah, looks like it's got a lift straight to the top and then you slide all the way down. It's got a half pipe, just like the water slides, but on a Rapids boat. Typical, that. The one ride that actually looks incredible. It's working on the station at the moment by the looks of it. From one water ride on the left that's closed to a log flume that's open on the right. I have a feeling this is going to be a bit of a soaker. And considering it's winter, the water levels are very high.
I never heard of them, so that's fine. Is there recording?
One drop is all you need.
Oh, there's got water in the pan. I'm not scared. It's only 3 months. How big's this drop?
Oopsie. Here comes a poopsie. I got a little bit wet. Absolutely soaked. Absolutely soaked. It was a one drop wonder, but it was a good little one drop wonder. Very good.
I don't know what you're talking about. Very, very dry.
Try telling your coat that. Bellewaarde do have animals, and this is the first we've seen. This enclosure is absolutely humongous. It stretches all the way down the bottom, all the way around the other side, and all the way down in here into the indoor section. That is a huge enclosure. We got lion meet and greets there. Not a real lion, of course. In the distance there, there's a weekend alpine toboggan. And you start out very high and work your way down to the ground. So that's going to be a lot of fun later on. It's quite a strange park, I must say. You got the animals similar to Chessington. The rides are very kid family friendly, but it has its target market and it's very much a younger audience park. We've finally made our way to the main entrance, gift shop. Oh, gift shop, going in are we? Hey,
Yeah, but the lion's
hey,
in Santa.
going in are we?
Yeah, we
Let's make it rain. It's a very strange park. You got little dots of theming and then it goes dead and then it kind of jumps up again and there's a little bit more theming. It definitely seems like a park that needs a few more new additions and not just a new rapids ride that's coming in a couple of months. The little Zamperla nebulas right here in the heart of Bellewaarde. It's heading towards the back of the park now. We've got one little shuttle roller coaster there with a shot tower that is closed. Yes! And then a nice little weekend alpine coaster just at the bottom there. It's alright, 20 minutes for Wakala. Nice little themed entrance. Entree. Family ride, and I didn't see the spike, so that was unexpected. It was okay. It was okay. Alright, now it's time for the dueling toboggans. We've got to climb all the way up to the top. are these stairs. I genuinely think this is the scariest ride of the trip for me. Not gonna lie, I'm genuinely petrified. It's just this little stretch on the other side of here, and as soon as we get over that, I think I'll be okay. Ladies and gentlemen, I am genuinely petrified. I'm not gonna lie. I think as soon as we get past this main straight, and it's alright. And oh, there's loads of room in the middle. I thought it was just going to be completely open. Why was I worrying? It's automatically braking though. Jake, why are you winning? You're so much. Oh yeah, because you're so much lighter than me. Yeah. Oh, the inside line. Max Verstappen. Max Verstappen. Whee! I think if I fought, I'll go down quicker. Oh no, I can hear you. I can't see him, but I can hear him. Whee! See, now I'm at a comfortable height. It's just the top. I'm terrified of heights, as you all know. So this is much better for me now. Oh no! 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 Bipped at the post! If you can overcome standing atop that giant queue right at the top, and if you can stomach that little stretch just into the first helix, you'll have a great time. Hayley, how's your experience?
I hated it. It was scary.
Just down this end of the park, you got almost like a boat ride. I wouldn't say tidal wave style. It's like a boat drop slide type ride. And then you got the tube slides, which are closed. A little kids Peter Pan ship. And yeah, that's about it down this end. Nice little bits of theming, but it's got Pleasurewood Hills vibes. This place has. As if Pleasurewood Hills had animals. It's exactly the kind of vibe that I'm getting from this place, but a bit more improved areas of Pleasurewood Hills, not the dilapidated areas that you find towards the back of the park. Now that train ride that is closed today goes through the lion and the tiger enclosure, which would have been such a cool experience. It's a shame. It's a real shame. We can go see the lions and tigers, of course, but you can actually go through the enclosure and you're in like a protected train. How cool is that? The tiger enclosures are so big that everybody can get a view, whether it's on the bridge or down at the bottom. You've just got the train down there with its reinforced windows. Unfortunately out of order. That would have been such a cool experience because every single one of the tigers is outside right by the train tracks. Get my food. Absolutely huge enclosure that goes the other side of the tunnel as well, and all the way down to the bottom. Wow. Just like at Toverland, the Vekoma Madhouse is unavailable. So we're not going on it. The home of a what, Jake?
Apparently a new family kiddie roller coaster.
Family kiddie roller coaster. We were like, I wonder where that could be built. Oh look, fencing right next to us. Right, so the boomerang coaster at Wallaby, Belgium yesterday gave me a little bit of a headache. This one looks a little bit rougher than that. Spent a lot of time naming this one. It is called Boomerang. It's gonna be rough, this one.
Oh god, here we go.
It's gonna be really rough.
Here we go.
Wait for it.
Wait for the clump.
Wait for it.
It's horrible. Ah! Wait for the clunk.
The clunk again. Are you going to do it backwards now, Hayley?
Oh my god.
Vekoma headaches all round. So that was our day at Bellewaarde. It's not a full day part for me. The queue times were relatively low. We managed to get it done. It feels a little bit empty in places. There's room for improvements. They're clearly adding more theming. Winter Express, theming that up for Christmas is a nice touch, even though the theming doesn't really match what a Christmas event sort of should be and on a ride. But a nice little blend of if Pleasurewood Hills and Chessington had a little bit of a baby, and then give the animals more room in their enclosures. Love that the tiger enclosure was huge, leopards was massive, and yeah, there's lots of room for them to walk around. Giraffes had a massive enclosure. Nice little quirky park, should I say, but not one that I'm going to be rushing out to anytime soon, even though the Rapids new ride March time looks very, very good indeed. So that brings the vlog at Bellewaarde to a close. Jake, what's your thoughts?
I enjoy it. It's a good park. Not in a rush to come back, but I can see they've got a good future.
A good future. And with that said, and my Vekoma boomerang headache looming, I will say hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you